gun sales? Street culture until somebody pull up on you.
I don't know if you guys have seen me or if I have my goddamn head cut off or some shit. What am I doing? There's a skit that I want to do, right? But the vlog I gonna come out probably after I drop the skit. And I needed some werewolf looking thing. So I just think to myself, so I'm gonna make the werewolf handle. So I'm gonna go out and look at toy store out there and cop up some things we need. When I come out of the store, I see them actually sell the hand. It wasn't a werewolf hand, it was more like just a monster hand. But the thing is, it would have cheaper if I just cop the things them and make the hand myself. So I have that glove here for 1 day over so. And then we just buy them here. And I have the fake four when I'm gonna use and put it on. I'm gonna use some crazy glue to get down them here and do it. And it's going good so far. See the right hand here, them glue on already. So now I just basically finish this and then put on the fake four over it and see how it turn out. I wear some scandal bag under this so the crazy glue will really stick to my finger. So yeah, because a long time you know do something for your vlog, you see me? So I figure some of that show your struggles where it takes some time. You know how long I'm supposed to drop a video on the main channel, but I try to get together the little things that I need. Try to get the actors them. Because it's a video where I do with a female. So I just there now, we just need to find a female who will video with it already. And get it done so you can see the finished product. Another thing I'm gonna make too is the headpiece. You know, say if you're a werewolf, the face and everything you have to cover with here. Use the fake fur, put on a thumb, cover the thumb with fake fur. Hopefully me get for show how that go. So basically that's how the things stay. Make this soak in, dry a little bit, take them off, and then I will start cut the fur. Trace it out, cut out the fur, use the crazy glue to try hold it, keep it locky. So that's how I go for you when we're done. And then this are the normal hand side, you see me? See how that goes still. Just a little thing we show on yourself. Sometimes you can't buy it, but you can make it. Yeah man, that's how the thing go. Probably should have gone to art school or something like that, you know? Anyways, me check back with you now shortly. I know this is probably not very smart at the moment to use black on black, but it's all I got, so I gotta make it work. You feel me? So right now I'm going to just trace out the hand to cut it out so that we can get the fur up on the back of this. In our work. Let's not even go any further with that idea. Oh, what's poppin' vlog? This is day 2 of me trying to create a little werewolf type costume. Well, probably I gonna see in the main channel video. So if you now watch this, that means I want a video there upon the main channel. When we use this in possibly, or a video is coming. Anyways, I thought I was defeated a few days ago. Somebody kind of fling down this and get mad. We stick to it. And we make the hand them. I'm going a quick look. But I think he never did that go work. Yeah, so piece I had to lift up. I'm gonna fix that. So this is how the hand them look. That's how look a finger up here so I didn't see. Yeah, so that's how the hand them look. Before I get in my nose, that's why I have on this. I'm gonna try to finish the headpiece and I will put over my head. And just go in a little prips and walk on. Cool? Anything you want in other life, yeah. If you can't get it, if you can't buy it, you can't make it, you see me? Just burn me raw self. Put some ointment on his head speed, isn't it? yeah, I think the headpiece is basically done. I'm gonna just go in, do some finishing touches, clip up of a clip up, and me show you the finished product. Cool?